Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? Today, we're delving into Apple, offering a more in-depth analysis following our initial report released on Tuesday, March 5, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of the game and ensure you don't miss any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since February 6, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate with a score of -3.40. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock saw a decline of -10.13%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.51% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the falling short-term trend down. Initially signaling a stronger fall rate, there may be false breaks and sell-offs. However, a further decline is likely, and any rebounds to the breaking point, $171.07, are seen as a second chance to exit. The fan theory predicts $154.29 as the new bottom line of the upcoming trend, but it's still early to confirm. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential -7.47% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -6.95% and 2.18%. Looking at the 12-month trend, a 13.62% change is expected over the next year, with a potential return between 13.62% and 35.82%. This suggests a price range of $193.29 to $231.05 by the end of the year. The latest update for Apple reveals a concerning trend: red day on Tuesday for Apple. On Tuesday, March 5, 2024, the Apple stock price dropped by -2.84% from $175.10 to $170.12, marking the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.43%, ranging from a low of $169.62 to a high of $172.04. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decrease of -6.3%. Volume surged by 13 million shares on the last day, albeit at lower prices, potentially signaling increased risk in the upcoming days. A total of 93 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $15.87 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $199.62, while the lowest was $147.61. Currently, the price stands at 14.78%, or $29.50, below the 52-week high and 25.47%, or $58.14, below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when it reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. Goldman Sachs upgraded Apple to outperform on Friday, February 2, 2024. Piper Sandler changed AAPL's rating to overweight on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Wedbush upgraded Apple to outperform on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple to buy on Thursday, January 18, 2024. Bank of America Securities downgraded Apple to negative on Thursday, January 18, 2024. Analysts have rated Apple stock as a strong buy across various metrics. The P/E ratio and price-to-book ratio both receive a strong buy rating. When it comes to return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's delve into the signals for Apple's stock. Currently, there are minimal to no positive technical signals. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative outlook for the Apple stock, indicating a sell. The relationship between these averages further confirms the sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term one. Resistance levels are expected at $178.69 and $185.75, with a potential buy signal upon surpassing these thresholds. Notably, a sell signal was triggered on January 23, 2024, resulting in a decline of -12.84%. Unless a new bottom pivot is established, a continued descent is anticipated. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell, with volume increasing during price declines. This uptick in volume serves as an early indicator that warrants closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Don't forget to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support, there is no backup from accumulated volume below today's level. This could lead to a potential downturn in the stock performance in the coming days. However, Apple is known for its consistent trading volume and minimal daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower perceived risk. Looking at the recent data, the stock moved $2.42, 1.43%, between its high and low points in the last trading day. Over the past week, Apple has shown an average daily volatility of 1.67%. Before discussing potential trading levels for Apple, let's review some key fundamental data. Firstly, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, which compares a company's share price to its earnings per share. This P/E ratio is within the range typically seen in established companies with consistent revenue streams. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 2, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are at $1.50. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's important to monitor them closely. Let's analyze some day trading levels for Apple. In an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Apple stands at $180.75. If you're not invested, consider waiting for this level to break before entering. For current shareholders, this could be a potential level for swing trading. With no significant support from volume below, Apple's stock may sharply decline in certain scenarios. Approach with caution and engage in trading activities only if you're an experienced trader capable of navigating such market conditions. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On February 28, 2024, Wagner Susan conducted an insider buy of 1516 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 28, 2024, Sugar Ronald D. conducted an insider buy of 1516 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 28, 2024, Lozano Monica C. conducted an insider buy of 1516 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 29, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider sell of 100,000 shares of common stock. On February 28, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider buy of 1516 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -19.048. Overall, insiders purchased 2,189,268 shares and sold 3,211,238 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple currently shows negative signals and is in a falling trend, indicating weak performance in the near future. Our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing recent volatility and movements, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, March 6, we anticipate Apple to open up at $0.473 and start trading at $170.59. Trading carries a high risk of monetary loss, so consulting a financial advisor before making any transactions is crucial. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for investment choices. Your investment decisions are your own responsibility when utilizing the provided information. Share your view on the stock in the comments below. What's your target price? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for successful trading. Have a great day from all of us at StockInvest.